Hi everyone, my name is Raul with Active Products. Welcome to the Active 2.3 support video series. In today's video, we'll look at how you can replace the microswitch of the Active 2.3 pressure washer pump. To remove and replace the microswitch, first you need to unmount the Active 2.3 from the wall mount cage, and to do so, you'll need a 13mm socket wrench. Step 1. Unmount the Active 2.3 from the wall. Step 2. Place the Active 2.3 on a flat surface on the side with the mounting side facing down. Step 3. Support the motor with one hand and use the 13mm socket wrench to remove 4 bolts located on the bottom of the steel cage. Step 4. Remove the pressure washer from the steel cage and lay it on a flat surface with a protective cloth. Ensure the electric box is facing up for preparation of the microswitch installation. Step 5. Keep the 4 bolts in a safe place for reinstallation. Replacing the microswitch. For this step, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, wire cutting pliers, and the replacement microswitch. Step 1. Place the pump and motor vertically on the motor fan cover and locate the U-clip on the side of the pump construction. Remove the U-clip to release the microswitch from the pump. Step 2. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws on the circuit body of the pressure washer. Keep the screws in a secure place for reinstallation. Step 3. Now proceed to remove the cover of the electric circuit to access internal wiring of the pressure washer. Step 4. Locate the internal wires connected to the microswitch and remove them from the motor as demonstrated. Step 5. Remove the full microswitch wire and terminal from the electric box. Step 6. Take your new microswitch and install the white and black wires into the slots as shown. This will begin the installation of the new microswitch. Step 7. Connect the microswitch to the motor and install as demonstrated. Ensure you tighten this connection firmly. Step 8. Carefully place all electrical wiring inside the casing and attach the cover box. Step 9. Install the screws for the electric box and tighten firmly. Step 10. Insert the microswitch casing into the pump and reinstall the U-clip, remounting the 2.3 to the steel cage. Step 1. Carefully place the 2.3 in the cage and ensure the motor is aligned to the 4 screw holes on the bottom of the cage. Step 2. Take the 4 bolts and place them through the bottom of the steel cage and ensure you hand turn them whilst applying pressure to the washer so that a connection is made between the bolt and the nut. Step 3. Once all 4 bolts and nuts have been connected, use the 13mm socket wrench to tighten the pressure washer to the wall mount cage. Ensure the bolts are tightened until there is resistance to prevent vibration of the pressure washer while in use. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.3, please don't hesitate to write to us at support@activeproducts.com. We would love to hear from you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.